A roux is a base for sauces, gravies, or soups, and it's made by cooking equal parts of butter or another fat and flour. For this roux, I already have a pan with some sausage fat in it and the fond. That's all the dark little bits that you see in here. Now I'm going to add fat to it. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of flour. Just want to aerate my flour a little bit. So here I have 4 tablespoons of flour. As my butter melts, I am cooking my flour. The thing that you have to do is actually cook your flour so it doesn't taste like raw flour. Now you can see as you get in here, you can see the clean pan. All of that fond is getting picked up as I whisk, and it's becoming part of this sauce. So in a way, we're deglazing with the fats. Sur la tip, if your mixture looks really thin, it looks fatty, then just add more flour. If you feel like it's really stiff and you need more fat, add more fat. But what I'm looking for is little bubbles so that I know that the flour is cooking as I'm whisking. Everything is even. Nothing is burning on one side. So look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And that is a roux.